Hey guys, in this video tutorial I will explain a bit about the half-wave bridge rectifier within the tinkercad software. As we know that rectifier is a device that can convert AC voltages into the DC voltage. So we know that diode always serves as a rectifier. Either it can be single like half bridge rectifier, or it is full bridge or a full wave bridge rectifier, or like that, or you can say that half bridge rectifier or full bridge rectifier or half wave and full wave rectifier. So there are like four types, so we will make the most simplest one. So here we need to take first of all the function generator in order to produce the AC voltage. Okay, then we need to take the oscilloscopes for the output. It must be the oscilloscope. So here you need to take two oscilloscopes because you want to observe the two graphs. We also need to zoom it out like this, and we will place the two oscilloscopes here. Okay, now we also need to take one diode, and it is here. Okay, now it's okay if we have just one diode, so it will work for us. Okay, now we will do one thing, that we will generate a sine wave or AC voltage wave, and we will directly feed it to the diode. Then we will see the effect of rectification on the second or on the lower oscilloscope. The upper oscilloscope will show us or display the AC voltage graph without rectification, while the lower oscilloscope will show us the graph after rectification. So okay, first we need to connect the negative ends as it is with the ground of the function generator. Okay, like this, and okay, now we need to take our diode here. Okay, now we will attach it to the positive end, its positive side to the positive and its negative side to the positive of the oscilloscope, like this one. So okay, also attach the upper oscilloscope positive rod with the positive of the okay. Okay, now we will see it, that what will be the effect of diode. So now we will select our what's called as the we will first we will simulate. Okay, then we will okay, now we are going to reduce our frequency, then we will select the sine wave. Okay, now we can see that in the above waveform we have both the positive and negative cycles, but in the Lower oscilloscope, we can see that negative cycle is totally chopped off. So in this way, diode used to serve the purpose. Like it passed one cycle and it chopped or totally it will totally nullify the uh, other or the second cycle or the negative cycle you can say. So now we can say that the above is the AC waveform while the below is the DC waveform. So in this way you can work with the diode. So hopefully now you can simulate and get a bit of concept about the diode rectification in the tinkercad. So thanks for watching.